Hi and welcome back to our course on SolidWorks for beginners. In this lecture, we are going to learn how to create holes using the hole wizard. We will use the part we created in the last lecture. Now we want to make a hole at the base. So let's see how we can do it. Just click on the hole wizard, and wait for a few seconds. The hole specification window will pop up on the left side. Here you can choose the type of hole you wish to create. There are the standard holes that we need for the fitment of screws during the assembly process. Select the right metric standard. This will depend on the screw. We will select ISO, that stands for Indian Organization of Standards. Now screws have different heads and hence the holes are created accordingly. You can choose it from here. Under hole specification, you can select the size of hole. You can also select custom and enter dimensions as per the screws specially designed by your organization or vendor. Select end conditions like blind, through or whatever fits your design. Let's create a hole and see how it turns out. We will choose countersink hole type. ISO standard. Let's choose the flat head screw type. Size here actually refers to the diameter of the screw. M8 means 8 mm dia. We will keep the fit to normal. In end condition, let's choose blind, with a hole depth of 15 mm. We also have the option to select head clearance. We have defined everything about the hole, now we will select where to place it. Click on the face. Then select the positions for the holes. Now if you want to define the exact positions, go to Sketch, and Smart Dimensions. Define dimensions. Choosing the right specifications for the hole is a technical design. You can learn about screws and holes on our separate video dedicated to them. Select OK. See how the holes have been created at the base of the part. You could also just draw one hole and use the linear pattern create multiple holes equidistant from each other. Thanks for watching this lecture. See you in the next one.